Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show a really simple way how we can create a blog for your Shopify website and how we can also add the blog to your website. So what you want to do is just click here on online store, and this drop down menu will appear. You want to click on blog posts, and when you're here, let's create a blog post. Right here you're going to select the title, and you want to write best shoes, summer shoes to wear. Okay, then I will the content here. I would add shoes, Nike. I would just add really huge description. Best shoes, Nike on the market right now. You can add export here, okay, shoes, whatever. Then we're gonna select the upload image. We can have this image here. Author, okay, Marcus Stone. Blog title will be shoes. And as you can see, we got blogs, shoes here. The URL is changed. And then we're gonna select the text here. Nice. And when we have it, let's click save. Okay, so we got it. When I'm going to click on blog posts, we can see it right here. Now I'm going to open the online store. I'm going to customize the store. And what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to add a section. And the first one is blog posts. So I will just click it, add. Now we're gonna select the blog, change to news. Change to blog to shoes. I just need to see blog that's in shoes. Okay, oh, it's hidden. Visible. And as you can see, we got the best summer shoes to wear. And voila, here we got it. Show cover image, yes. And we can click on view all, okay. And voila, here we got it. What we wrote. Okay, click save. And then I would just add it here. Or add it under the Nike shoes. And voila, here you got it. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I think this is really simple, really easy. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye.